I mean, that ain't terrible. That ain't terrible. That ain't terrible. I feel like my computer's having a freaking conniption. I'm gonna kill this browser. Hold on. I think my browser's tanking my computer. Hopefully you guys can still hear me. This connection is not working. How do I close this damn browser? All right, did everything magically appear again? Yeah. See, my life went back to normal the moment I freaking dropped Chrome. Man, I just wish I had an M3 MacBook, guys. Wouldn't life just be so much easier? I gotta get the Twitch chat back up. I gotta get the Twitch chat back up. Pray that my computer doesn't implode. See if I can get the Twitch chat back up to see how much people are complimenting my views on software development. Holy cow, that was insane. Okay, we're back, baby. And it works. But we're working on back populating. All that matters is if you ship software. As someone who's done everything but, no product, no profit. Put it on my tombstone. No product, no profit. All right. I need to get this person's habits. In order to do that, yeah, you're right. In the CEO, no, yeah, I think that's exactly right. Schedules equals await schedule. Scheduled habit service to get active. What do you want from me? Date? Um. All right. So what does this thing get? My habits. Let's go to my habits. My habits. It's actually called Habit Manager. Manage habits. You can write software really like craftfully. I don't know if that's a term. Really, to the craft of it. Tests, deployment pipelines, all sorts of these elegant solutions, and that's fine. It depends what your goal is. It depend, and I think that's one thing, honestly, that's probably the missing component to what everybody's debating ever in the software space. What is your goal? Think about a woodworker. Think about a woodworker. Are you making a chair because you need to sit, or are you making a chair because you want elegant craftsmanship in a product you built? Correct. Yes, that is true. If you ship something crap, you lost the user. You still got to ship though, unfortunately. You got to do it all. That's the unfortunate truth of it. You got to do it all. Code quality is the least important. Product performance is definitely the most important. I'll show you the stack here. All right, so I need to figure out where these things are getting schedules from. The Ruby doctrine strong. That sounds horrible, dude. Summarize it for me, please. I couldn't imagine cracking into that. I'm not much of a doctrine person. I don't really read doctrines. Get active. So this is in fact what I need. Okay, fine. Date utility to get yesterday. I like that. Get yesterday pure date. Well, that's what I need. I guess that's not a thing. Get yesterday. Guys, so we're doing a data migration now. Const yesterday. Yesterday pure date equals pure date dot from got a really big chunky classes done for week. Let's go, Jack. Congrats, dude. All right, here we go, guys. Yesterday. Pure date. Cooked. Console.log. I'm just going to say cool. That's cool. I might have to rate a doctrine. The doctrine on shipping software. Migrate habit streaks. Handle command. So we're going to get, for every single user, we're going to get, all right, so let's just log this. So we're migrating data because if you look at, well, the app's not going to work. We added streak data, but everybody has streak data of 0. We need it to not be streak data of 0. Migrate habit streaks. New user created. Let's go. Look, so these are the people who have habit streaks. Or not habit streaks. Scheduled habits. Everyone with a 0, we don't have to do anything, luckily. Schedule count. Count plus plus. All right, so let's try that again. Migrate habit streaks. See that? See that absolutely cooking? Premium button pressed. Premium button press. We got the fish on the hook, guys. We got the fish on the hook. Isn't it because Java lovers love Ruby? I don't even know what Ruby is, dude. But maybe. Oh, this is so... Dude, this ecosystem is just so featureful. Look at this. Look at this, guys. You guys want to backpopulate some data or what? You guys want to backpopulate some data? Or... Watch this. Schedule.task ID. I mean, that's it. That's literally it. That will do it. Full populate longest streak. I mean, I'm about to blindly run this and populate everybody's data. Should I blindly run this in production and populate every single user's data in one go without testing it? In production, you heard it here first. Okay. Migrate habit streaks. Here we go. This might take a minute. We are migrating all production data right now. Here we go. As long as you're not working for a greedy CEO that doesn't care about employees' mental health. Yeah, that's never good. Guys, we're updating production as we speak. We're updating every single person's habit streak for everybody. I'll probably have to rerun this. Shepo, let's go. What up? Welcome in, dude. I'll probably have to rerun this, but I just want to see it work. Unfortunately, what I learned in software is you kind of got to do it all. So when you got to do it all, code quality strong. I see your 180 streak, by the way. I didn't mention that. I didn't see it, dude. That's insane, bro. It's insane. 180. Software quality has to take the back seat. And this is coming from the #1 fan of software. I am the #1 fan of software. And I've learned that quality ain't gonna, it just ain't gonna do it. It just ain't gonna do it. No matter how elegantly I can write this software, more users aren't gonna click that button, purchase premium. It just doesn't relate to that. And that's the quest, how to get more people to press that button. Again, I guess it always comes down to what's your goal? What is your goal? I think if we don't talk about a goal, then debating software is stupid. I think that's a major breakthrough in debating software. Your goals. Look at this thing cooking, by the way. We're almost at 700 out of 820. This is production data. I am blasting planet scales. She's cooking. Look at, dude, you know how many queries? Dude, I am blasting planet scale right now. So many queries. Just migrating all this user data. All right, 10 away. We're 10 away. Done. All right, so watch this. When I click hydrate, we should see data. Oh, I gotta start the server. So the data should be migrated. Watch. I should have streak data for every single habit. 8 days is my longest streak. 3 days is my current streak. Workout. 13 days is my longest streak, which I don't know. Oh yeah, no, that makes sense. June. 30-minute read should be zeros. Yeah, I haven't done it yet. Commit to coding. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 4. An absolute completion of an update, guys. This is fully completed. You guys want to see me pop this in a quick list? How do you do that? Is it Q? Yeah, baby. Quick fix list. Let's go. I want to get rid of some of these console.logs. Did Twitch Scam just have a bug? I don't see any errors. I don't see any logs. Twitch Scam, get on, dude. Your system has a bug. Your system has a bug. I thought you were better than that. He must not have TDD'd it. He must not have TDD'd it. I'm just kidding. Telling you guys. These are the true thoughts of the #1 fan of software. Quick fix list, guys. How mad is Twitch Scam that they failed? Hopefully pretty mad. All right. Check it out, guys. Here's our changes. It's just a small set of changes. It's just a small set. We're doing a release now. We are releasing this new feature. Habit details. What is this? Neovim. Neovim. Isn't it so great? All right. It's my favorite band, by the way. They're literally so good. Recording at W. Stop recording at W. That's it, guys. That's the ball game. That's the ball game. So let's go modify. Watch this. Let's watch this. I'm gonna break the longest streak in half, and it should just simply work. So let's go to back when I was doing push-ups, back when I was the man. Let's maybe pick the 22nd, probably. Boom. Removed it. We just broke the streak. So when we click 100 push-ups, that streak should be broken. And sure enough, it is. You can see the gray dot here, and you can see the longest streak has been cut to 21. What more do they want from me, guys? What more do they want from me? Rujarski, let's go. How we doing? Boom. Pop that back in. Come back over. 100 push-ups. Boom. Back to 32. What more do they want from me, guys? Come on. Am I right or am I right? Habit Street controller. I guess we should log into a different account. Okay, let's log into another account. Doing good? Amazing, dude. Amazing. Sign out. Boom. Alternate. Sign in. Up, that's sign up. Log in. Super secret account. Twitch scam. Yeah, yeah. I don't want to hear it. You're already 0 for 1 today. You were actually hot for a while too. But something bugged, dude. Something bugged. It's 4 p.m. here. What's my time zone? I don't know. Let's go look. Let's go look. Let's go find my time zone. Oh, I'm America / New York. 6 a.m. here. Almost 6:30 here. That's right. We got time zones, guys. Away mode. Senek, how you doing? Look at this. Oh, you want to go to away mode? Ooh, you got to be premium first. Can't go to away unless you're premium. Notifications. Same with this. Unlock premium stats. Upgrade to premium. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. These aren't my habits. The heck, dude? Dude. These are not my habits. Damn, Cricket World Cup in New York City, dude? I don't actually live in New York City. That's just my time zone. But nah, dude, that's sick. Look at this, guys. Guys, if you were using this app, would you be clicking unlock premium stats to get your latest and greatest? I think I would. I think I would. All right, we got a problem now. I'm seeing the wrong person's data. I can't even figure how that happened. Yeah. Okay, they changed. I wonder if I can clear all cached data. Has anybody in the chat ever used a Tanstat query before? Oh god, the sun's coming right in on me. Feels so good. In another world, I would never close the blinds, but when you're streaming, you don't need people to be blinded. Anyone ever use Tanstat query? query client dot clear. Let's go to log out. Oh God. The sun feels so good. Log out. Here you go. Sign out utility. Why aren't we logging out revenue, cat? Let me close this blind. Okay. We're at query client. There you go. That shout out to Donnie for that one. All right, Donnie, here we go. Here we go, Donnie. Here we go, Donnie. Sign out. Log in. Here we go. Ready? Done. Thank you, Donnie. And let's test it for good measure, guys. Let's test it for good measure, shall we? Let's go ahead and say we read twice. Okay, we just read twice. We should see a streak of 2. Oh no. That's okay. It could have still been propagating. Oh no. Oh no. Why is it showing 1? Now it says 0. No, that's correct. This should say 2 and 2. Why does it say 1? Oh, you're going to get in so much trouble. Now it says 2. That's sus. That was sus. Slobodin, by the way, welcome in. That was sus, guys. I think it had something to do with ripping this really quickly in succession. There it is. I was able to repro it. Okay, now let me try to go really slow. Let's go really slow, okay? 1. Congratulations. 2. Congratulations. I don't like that. You have a 128 character password for Embedder? I don't think it's a timing issue. Now I think it's a I think it has to do with I don't know. It's pissing me off though. We gotta go look. I'm gonna be livid. Detailed My theory is it's not picking up the final. I don't have a good theory. I don't have a good theory. Current streak. Full populate current streak. Okay, let's see. Yo, Fennec, let's go, dude. No, I just turned my desk around. Just flop the desk around. Complete. Okay. Even worse is happening, guys. It's even worse than I thought, guys. It's even worse than I thought. Say the 14th. Yeah, look, it's only doing. Let's see here. How's the app coming along? It was already looking great like 3 months ago. You thought it was looking 3 months ago, bro. Bro, we've 100x since then. Come on, dude. Come on, man. We've 100x since then. Look at this thing, dude. Look at this. Emmer has completed 40% of the June 30-minute reading challenge. Come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. Look at this. Look at this. We're working on advanced metrics. Unlock premium. Unlock premium to see the nitty gritty. Thank you, Fennec. You could say whatever you want about the dev dad. Can't say he didn't put the hours in, though. It's one thing you just can't say. You just can't. You can't say he does TDD either. That's the other thing you just can't say. All right, what in the hell is going on here? I also just had an interesting thought. I had a very interesting thought. Start date to do. Start date could use habit rather than the first planned day. So, for instance, it looks straight into your soul. It looks straight into your soul. Could you feel your thumb sort of twitching towards it? Can you feel your thumb twitching towards it as you want to unlock Rajar's excuse me. Rajarski. Rajarshi. How else are you supposed to go on away mode and preserve your habit streak, bro? How else are you going to preserve your habit streak, dude? Just saying. How else are you supposed to get warning notifications? that you're about to screw up and ruin all your streak data. Just saying. Unlock premium stats. Pretty damn clean, dude. Banger alert, by the way. Who's to say that you don't ruin your streak data? I hope I don't. That's right, Fennec. We ain't doing this. We ain't doing this for we're twofold. We need to drive value. If we don't drive value, people don't click purchase. And we ain't doing this for the free users. Although we work really hard at making it still worth the free users' time. That's important. That's important. Because if it ain't worth the free user, dude, I downloaded an app the other day and they blasted me with purchase now, purchase now, purchase now. I was like, boom, delete it, gone. You lost me in 15 seconds. 15 seconds and I deleted the entire app. I genuinely wanted to use the app. They just ruined it. They literally ruined it. So no, we don't blast people, but we do stick it around in some choice locations. Some choice locations. It's kind of in your face pretty frequently. It's kind of in your face. Yeah, ATC 100% certified banger, dude. They're so good. All right, so we need to figure out why we're not, why our start date is being botched. Our end date. We're so close. This. Console.log. Start date. End date. Boom. Here we go. Here we go. Swiperooski. Setting current habit streak to 1, bruh. All right, guys, look at this. Why is one of the dates the 14th and one of the dates the 13th? What? How could that be? How could that be? Isn't that interesting? Context. Context. That's what we're using. I mean, that's the only thing it's using to get the end date. All right, here we go. Swiperooski. I'm going to swipe it again. Free user. Free user alert. I got no idea. User ID, UID. I got no idea why that thing's returning at 13. I suppose we should go look at the method, shouldn't we? It just only feels right. I do see 2 return routes. Okay. Boop. Boop. Using new end date. Using new end date. Bruh. Bruh. The quest continues. Where in the hell could this thing... Mmm. Mmm. Oh. I see it so clear. It's blinding me. Have I seen Primogen's recent tweet about TypeScript JavaScript? No, what's he say? That it's awesome? If he doesn't like TypeScript, you should tell him to try JavaScript. Couldn't imagine. All right, guys, it's a race condition. It's a race condition. Python and HTMX. I don't know anything about HTMX. Guys, we got a race condition. Oh, man, that hurts. That hurts. I can defeat the race condition. I can defeat it. Don't do that. Oh, I am not trying to. I am not trying to. I can defeat it, though. This is getting a little squirrely. That's all I'm going to tell you guys. Like, it's not full squirrel. It's getting a little squirrely, though. Just a little. Use yeah, nobody knows who Edgar is anyway. I'm just kidding, by the way. Hey, as long as you maintain premium membership on Embedder, that's okay. Why is this dude got so much beef with JavaScript? It's practically impossible to teach good programming to students that had prior exposure to JavaScript. As potential programmers, they are mentally mutilated beyond the hopes of regeneration. I mean, Keck W is all I can say. I would go back to Dijkstra and I'd say Dijkstra. Are we shipping products, Dijkstra? Are we shipping products? Oh, he died in 2002 and doesn't know what TypeScript is. So is that a prank? It's a prank. It's a prank. We got pranked, guys. We got pranked. We got pranked. Yeah. I was going to say, nobody can hate JavaScript, dude. The whole world runs on JavaScript. Can't be that bad. I like JavaScript. And then once I found TypeScript, I was like, oh my God, this is so much fun. Yeah, PHP is good too. It doesn't matter as long as your product works and people can swipe their credit card. Well, I don't care if you're handwriting responses. I don't care if you're writing it on a loose leaf piece of paper and sending it to the person. So yeah, I don't share that. I don't share that, dude. I feel like it just keeps cooking. It shouldn't be on the server as we're writing server code. Ouch. Ouchies. Use it all depends on what can ship your software the fastest and get paid the quickest. That's all that matters. If JavaScript on the server can do that for you, then JavaScript on the server away, baby. If it can't, then definitely don't. Like if JavaScript on the server is going to hinder you, then run. Then run. Yeah, but nobody actually does these cursed things, Ibra. That's the key. I know there's all those goofy things you can do. In the 2.5 years I've been writing software in it, I've never actually done any of them. So, like, it's practically a great language. You could obviously pick anything apart. Okay, thinking. In Delta, I would argue it doesn't even matter if you are accidentally doing bad things in JavaScript. As long as your product works and you're getting paid, it doesn't matter if you're doing good things or bad things. All that matters is, does your product work? Are you getting paid? That's the belief I've come to follow. You should do as best you can within reason. That's the way to sum it up. Do the best you can within reason. The only people think it's great are people who haven't done much else other than it. Fair. I think that's fair. I totally think that's fair. I totally think that's fair. You know, correct. I believe that. I absolutely believe that, dude. But as long as it keeps cooking, I don't have the capacity to change technologies. Maybe when I'm retired and I'm programming from my dock, then I'll consider trying a new tool. Until then, it's just hammer, hammer, hammer. All right, so the reality here, guys, is I need to beat this race condition, and I'm just going to bypass the race condition. If habit ID or see, guys, I'm going to teach you a trick of the trade here. I'm going to teach you a trick of the trade. Rather than just putting a random ass like if habit ID, Give some context by putting a little boolean with a variable name so you can read it. Even if something as crap as this, ignore completion status equals boom boom habit ID. If ignore completion status or boom. So then 6 months from now, when I'm like, wait, why is this doing that? I can at least read, oh, we're ignoring the completion status. It's a little trick of the trade for you. From me to you. From me to you. A JavaScript trick, if you will. And I'll tell you what, I wrote software in Java first. I did some PHP, did some Python, then went and did C++ for like, I don't know, 3 years. C++, Windows application, and a little mobile device for 3 years. So I was a decade into software before I even found JavaScript, before I ever wrote my first JavaScript application of any format. I was a decade in. I love it. Now, my use case might be different because maybe because I'm writing React Native, I'm having a different experience than other people. I've never wrote a web application before. I like Express. I think it's kind of goofy how it's single threaded. I don't really understand it with all the awaits and everything. Like, I've learned how to write it. I don't really understand like what the benefit of that is. But God, at least I don't have to like think about like threads and like concurrency. So there are some trade-offs. So I don't freaking know. I literally don't know. And I don't think it matters. That's the best part. I think people just like to debate. So anyway, to fix this once and for all. Correct. That may be a part of it. I'm genuine when I say I almost wonder if it doesn't matter. Do people just debate because humans debate? Like, we're passionate. Think about that. We're all passionate about this industry we're in. We all learn to love different areas that we're in, right? If I love something and I do it every day, and someone comes up to me and goes, "Yeah, that's a bad idea." Well, now I'm mad, right? That's probably what this is. I don't know. I just find it interesting. I find it interesting. Security wise, JavaScript is a terrible back end language. Yeah, I haven't had to deal with much security. Maybe I'll get burned one day on security and learn to realize that, but to date I've never once ran into a security issue with JavaScript, so I never um I don't share that opinion. Okay. So anyway, to try to wrap this race condition up, I gotta pass these in. I don't know why we're doing it on. I gotta look into why we're doing it here. I don't really get that. Do I have GitHub flagging your security vulnerabilities? I haven't come across any security vulnerabilities. Yo, let's go, Druid. Half year. Insanity, my friend. Thanks for your continued support. Means the world, dude. Means the world. And that's true. Uh, Rizarshi. People are definitely more, it's easy just to type whatever you want on the internet, but I've seen terrible technologies make people a lot of money. So who's in a worse place? The people complaining about it or the people getting paid? It's like watching someone build a house using a rock and sticks when you're standing there with a table saw and a nail gun and they don't want it. That's crazy if that's Ryan, if that's actually the difference between building something in JavaScript versus building something in, say, Elixir, then the world needs to be better informed. That feels like a very strong opinion. Wolfric, let's go. Let's go, Wolfric. Appreciate that, my friend. Means the world, dude. Pombo, good morning as well. How you doing, man? Happy Friday. Slightly exaggerated, but basically. Yeah, that feels like mega exaggerated, I feel like. Like, other languages, if they were that much better, wouldn't business people of the world ultimately pick those things up? Why don't you have a GitHub security and depend about warnings set up? I don't know what those are. I haven't come across those yet. Okay, so I need to pass these in, by the way. Habit ID. Habit ID. Last but not least, guys, I want to look at one more thing, but then we're probably done. Habit ID. Okay. I do want to look at one more thing though. It depends. As I keep even talking, I keep forgetting this. I keep forgetting it. I don't know how. It depends on your objective. Everything we ever say about writing software should be paired with, it should be prefixed with, if your objective is this, then we should share the opinion. It's not a one size fits all anything, right? But we kind of talk about it as if it is. Oh, you should never use Node. It should in fact be, if your objective is, you should never use Node. It always depends. It always depends. Okay, I need to figure out why this thing cares about. But that doesn't mention an objective. That doesn't mention an objective. I get you're saying 99.9% of use cases. I would argue I was able to share the same data types and quickly get communication between my front end and my back end. And I've had no server outages. So for my use case, I haven't had how funny is this? How funny is this? I have never had a problem ever with JavaScript on the server. Ever. Not once have I been like, oh, this is paining me. Never. But the world just keeps saying. I've got almost 900 users now, Ryan. Maybe I need more. And guess what? Beautiful, beautiful, Ryan. You just did what I'm saying. If you have a lot of users, Node on the server is a bad idea. That's a conversation we can have, right? That's a conversation we can have. I can't speak to that. I don't have 100,000 concurrent users. Maybe it is the bad tool when you have 100,000 concurrent users. Maybe it's the wrong tool then. I'm not there, so that statement doesn't apply to me. So I can't be mad at a technology that I don't. The reason to not use the technology is too many concurrent users. I don't have that problem. So why would I fight that battle right now? See? See how we did that? Once you start pairing in the whys, whether something applies to you or does not, all of a sudden starts to become more apparent. If Ryan's beef with Node is too many concurrent users cause problems, I'm not there yet. I am not there yet. Okay, so that one doesn't apply to me. There may be more beefs. I've never run into any, by the way. It's only ever cooked for me. It's only ever cooked for me. In fact, my server is the only thing I can rely on. The frickin' front end is a nightmare. The server, it just keeps cooking. I think we're good. I think we're done, by the way. Why don't I test this? Ready? Here we go. Ready? One streak. That's wrong. Let's go ahead and pop this. Go ahead and pop this. We need that to say 2. Let's cook. And for what it's worth, debating these things is good. Like, if we didn't debate things in life, then we would probably never learn. You got to be open to feedback. But one thing about me is I need to experience it. It's almost like I need to trust but verify, right? All the gripes. Look, when you sit up here and you stream every day, you hear opinions. I don't experience the same pain points. You would think people got burned in the worst way with Node. The way that people in the chat here and on Twitter talk about how bad Node is. Did Node make these people lose their jobs? Did Node make people lose their mortgages? Like, the way that people hate Node, it's crazy. Have these people who hate Node actually ever been burned by Node? Or are they just hearing what somebody else tweeted, so now they tweet it? Are they just retweeting what those that have louder voices say? That's what I wonder. I've never been burned by it, so why would I hate something that I've never actually seen burn me or anybody else around me? So I think the worst thing you could do is just hear it from somebody else and go, "Oh, I believe this now." You got to experience it. You got to touch it. You got to feel it. And when you get burned, and then someone in an interview goes, "So why is Node bad on the server?" You're not saying, "Oh, it has security issues. Oh, it's bad for users." You can draw upon experiences and say, in using this technology, I've been burned this way, and this way. Therefore, I prefer not to use that technology anymore. I deem it a bad technology. Now that's a productive conversation. Personally, you haven't been burned by it, but you've used other languages that are much nicer to work with. What, serious question. What do you find not nice to work with in Node? Like, what part is not nice, or what parts in these other tools are more nice? Like, what, yeah, that's my question. Because that's now we're bringing in the because of this, I don't like using Node. Because other tools are much nicer in this reason, and this reason. Those are those three reasons. That's the part we need to talk about. You like Go's lack of colored functions for... See, I don't even know what that is, to be honest. I don't know what a colored function is. Use JavaScript and TypeScript and Python every day. They're nice for fast turnaround, but really miss strongly typed languages. Yeah, I guess I haven't found typing issues with TypeScript. Usually whenever I need a type to be a type, it is that type. I don't know if I'm not working with complex enough systems. Whenever I need a type to be a type using TypeScript, it is that type. You dislike it because it's bad. You hate it because its usage keeps growing, snowball effect. And then you have all these people with brain rot who think things like not using a third-party auth system is dangerous. Well, I mean, I don't think the comment of third-party auth systems, that has nothing to do with Node. That could be a problem with a bash server. So it sounds like you don't like the era of people who write software using Node. So anyway, in the name of me continuing writing software and to give you guys relief of me fighting my case, all I'm going to say is this. Use what tools work for you. If you love something, enjoy it. Take everybody's opinion with a grain of salt, but do make sure you listen to other people's opinions, because people have learned things that you haven't. And just to dismiss these opinions would be bad, and you would be doing yourself a disservice. Those are the closing words from the dev down on that conversation. I'm going to take a look at what this colored function is. Function A, function B. Yes, Power Rangers. Wait, what? I thought those were Power Rangers. I don't know what that means, dude. I got nothing on that one. Why they all turn into Teletubbies? Why they all turn into Teletubbies? True. True. Interesting. I don't know the alternative. I don't know. I don't even know the alternative. I don't even know the alternative. All right, guys, guess what? We fixed the race condition. I don't love it. Basically, the whole theme of this update is I added in this optional habit ID. Is it a good idea? I think it's a medium idea. The good news is it's kind of tucked away in the corner of this code base, and I don't think I have to care about it too much. All right, so here's the next thing I need to do. God, we gotta bust out Git fork, guys. You know we're serious when we have to pull out a Git GUI tool. All right. So we need to look and see if this change breaks anything. If we're breaking backwards compatibility or not. All right, so we've added that. Congrats. These things are all auto-generated. Wait, what? Hold on. Start from the top. Good. Good. Okay, new files, I almost just add blindly. Like, okay, you're not breaking anything. You might break new functionality, but you're not breaking anything old. This is a huge update to go out, guys. This is a huge update. Getting habits, individual habits with streak data, that's a massive update. What is this? Okay. What in the hell is this? TypeScript map of string to string. Ah, that's a Copilot prompt right there. Thank you, Copilot prompt. We don't need you, though. Discard. 2 lines. Whoa, 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 whoa. 1 line. Goodbye. Okay. I think that's okay. Boom. Yeah, record would have been good. Record would have been good. Let's see here. Here we moved and okay, this is the part that could be broken. If there's anything that's broken, it's this. But it's probably not. But it's probably not broken. Okay, good. I wish you all the luck. Yep. 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 You'll fight against Node on the server in most cases. You won't fight against React Native and Expo. Electron? What the hell, dude? Good. All right, let's see what we got here. What in the hell is this? What in the hell is even that? What in the hell is even that? Of course you can suggest some tunes. Exactly. What in tarnation is that? Habit ID, blah, blah, blah. Why are we going for habit? Oh, no. What is this? What file is this, guys? Plan day, common service. Okay. That's on line 69. Let's go. 69. Okay. I don't know why we're doing for habit here. Oh, no, I do understand. Wait, no, I don't understand. Yes, I do understand. Confirmed. It's just a variable name. It's just a variable name. Okay. Search YouTube for fractal joke live set. Sick, dude. I'll definitely explore that. All right, goodbye. How much data do we store locally? Not a ton. Not a ton. Anything cached. Yeah, I want you guys to know. I love you all. And we're allowed to enjoy what we enjoy. And we're allowed to debate also. As long as we're all friendly. As long as we're all friendly. And as long as we remember, there needs to be a why to your opinion. What's the why? Good. This one was ridiculous. Good. What? Goodbye. Mono, let's go. How we doing, my guy? Yeah, we're about to deploy we're about to deploy this update right now. There you go. Good job, Strong. Good, keen eye there. Keen eye there. Get all habit streak latest. What in the hell is this? Yep. Ooh. This actually goes away, but we'll leave it for now. We'll leave it for now. Guys, this thing is looking hella backwards compatible. This thing's looking hella backwards compatible. Handle dispatches, baby. Let's go. Let's work. Let's work. Yes. Update completion status by plan day ID. Yes, I just got rid of a try catch because I like to live on the end. Get out of here. Get out of here, Mono. Outstanding, dude. Thank you for that support, dude. Hey, that went to a great person. A great member of the community. So thanks for that, dude. Nah, this one's probably fine. I try not to scrutinize my changes too much, guys. You know what I mean? Just kind of vet them. How important is it, really? It's pretty important. Holy red. What in the hell? Rizarshi mentioned. Let's go. I don't know what this is. I literally don't. Oh, we got it. We got rid of crazy logic and added simple logic, I think. Oh, no. Sorry, we moved files. We moved files. We just moved it to a different file. Don't get that excited, guys. All right, cool. So we're probably backwards compatible. Shall we test it? Okay, so first we got to go to the front end. All right, wish me all the luck in the world here, guys, that I didn't suck at this code change. Yep, good. Honestly, a Get GUI is such a good tool. Like just seeing these changes with your eyeballs. Habit details confirmed. That was a banger, by the way. Get for habit. Use advanced habit streak. Okay, this is just like extra. Who cares? Ooh, that was a good one. That was a good one. Let's go back to the top. Sure. Sure. All right. Habit details. Let's go. You're good. Ooh, we added a new one. You're good. Let's go. Yep. Yep. What is this doing? Habit streak. Sure. Sure. Should be good. Should be good, guys. All right. We're going to commit this. Ready? Added habit specific habit streak data. That's a massive update. I just want to make just that known in case anybody was wondering if this is a massive update or not. The answer is yes. It's a massive update. It's a huge victory in the app. We don't have habit specific metrics until this rolls out. Okay, so now that we added that to master, let's go back to revving version. Oops, cancel. Let's go back to this one. Revving version. Boom. All right. First of all, this gap here is the worst thing I've ever seen in my whole life. This is on production right now. Every free user sees a double gap. Oh, you can't see. Every free user sees a double gap, and it makes me want to cry. It makes me want to cry. It's the way she goes sometimes. All right. Let's see if this is backwards compatible, guys, shall we? Let's see if she's backwards compatible. The single gap's premium only. Premium button press. Premium button press. We got the fish on the line, dude. We had the fish on the line. Oh, Mono, I've never been more in love with NeoVim. I pray something doesn't break because I don't want to configure it anymore. But the way I have it right now is like, that's how I feel. It's golden. All right, backwards compatibility. Let's test it. 30-minute June. Cooked and stuff. Here. We're just going to give it a quick little 1-2. Your NeoVim on your work machine broke, not your local. You share the same dot files. Dude, that's why I'm so scared, Ryan. Like, I don't want to maintain it. Like, it's good. Just leave it. And the less you touch it, the worse you get. Mono has a request. Request away, my friend. You just use LazyVim these days. Let someone else maintain my digital. 100%. 100%. The problem is, Mono, is too many people have 50K saved up, and we got to keep cooking. I just don't like redeems that this is a banger, by the way. I don't like redeems that prevent me from cooking. That's my only concern there. Look at my man. Blood donation. Let's go. Hey. Current streak. I hope that's a fluke. I hope that's a fluke. We're going to go to my man and check. Wait, why is this current streak 0? It's likely a fluke, guys. Oh, I know it's a fluke. I know it's a fluke. I know it's a fluke. You want to know why it's a fluke? I'll tell you. We need to migrate data. We're in a very awkward state. This data in production is stored as a user property. But we're no longer using user properties anymore. So we need to pull them over. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to deploy this server, guys. You're going to see it live and in person. I want you to know this is a massive deployment. Like everything could come crumbling down. Adding habit, specific habit streak. You guys are going to see this live and in person. You guys want to feel a rush? You guys want to feel a rush? Admin broke. Wait, admin's broke? Oh, crap, because I pulled the property out? Yeah, it's broken then. Damn it. We'll fix that. We'll fix it. How's the new version of handling the backwards compatibility? Oh, how's the new version? It cooked. It cooked. Yeah, Kira, we're going to have to swap that. Which maybe I could take a stab at, dude. All right, and here, we're doing a deployment. Just to feel something, guys. Just to feel something on a Friday. Now Akira, it's just a join on the user. There's a new table called habit streak. Boom. There's all your habits right there. Guys, we're doing a live, basically a no-look production deployment on a Friday just to feel something. Just to feel something. When did that happen, dude? It cooked. Remember your boy had the flu not too long ago. All right, here she goes. Does it import the old data and adapt it to the new version? We're about to run a manual migration. You're about to watch this. You're about to watch this. Here we go. Let's do it right now while this deployment's going. Guys, we're living on the edge right now. If you were wondering if we're living on the edge right now, the answer is yes. Command center. Down to the bottom. Migrate streaks. What does migrate streaks do? Latest. Boom. Watch this. Watch this. Boom, 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 boom. Command. Watch this. Watch this. Migrate streaks. Look at it cooking. Look at it cooking, guys. Look at it absolutely migrating streak data. Migrating streak data. You saw it here first, guys. You had your performance review today, by the way. Got a cheeky 5% for the new iPhone 13 and a new iPhone 13 test device. Feels odd. Accept Delta's offer. Accept Delta's offer. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Look at it, guys. We're migrating live and in person. Then we're going to go to Akira's account and see if we broke Akira's account. We did kind of break. No, we're good. We're good. Migrating current streak. Migrating current streak. Migrating current streak. You see it cooking, guys? 500. Oh, hell yeah, Ryan. I wish you all the luck with that, dude. Boom. Okay, let's go. First of all, let's refresh Meman. This should work. It didn't work. Well, I don't know why his current streak's not right. Let's look at Wolfric. Oh, my server's down. My server's down. My server's down. Just when you guys thought it was over. Just when you guys thought it was over. We forgot my server was down. Like my development server. This is production. This is production. To the Play Store, baby. Let's go. Update. Let's get the latest and greatest. Let me get the logs up. Let me get the logs up. See if anything's breaking. Nothing's breaking yet. Oh, Magpie mentioned. Yeah, Delta. Or Ibra. Ibra. We get the Magpie author in chat right now. We got the Magpie author in chat right now. Here we go. Croatia. Croatia for the win. Croatia for the win. Croatia for the win. You guys see what I see? Migrated data, baby. Wolfric? How cooked is that? How cooked is that? This is production. This is live and in person, baby. This is prod as it gets. You guys ever heard of prod? Well, if you're wondering what prod is, you're looking at it. This is prod. It's just absolutely cooking. Fail. Boom. Yeah, no. Dev servers, dude, those are for the week. Those are for the week. We definitely just test right against production. Oh my god, we're done. Okay, let's kick a build off then. Let's kick a build right off then. Guys, this is one of the biggest updates Embedder has ever seen. It's I can't make this up. It is that critical. Client. CD scripts. Rev version. Lazy git. Space, commit, revving, version, push. Whoa, what in the... Whoa. Oh, I'm not... Oh, God. Just when you thought you were doing everything right. Just when you thought you were doing everything right. Oh, God. Git, reset, hard, git pull, git reset -- hard, origin.master, git pull, rev version, lazy git. Boom. We're back and we're cooked. I wasn't based off of master. I wasn't based off of master. Okay, one concern, no concern. One concern, no concern. Banger alert. Boom, commit, revving, version. Detached? We're not detached from nothing. Oh, come on, bruh. Git checkout, master, git pull, git reset -- hard, blah, 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 git pull, git branch. I don't really know what I'm doing in Git, guys. I just slam commands until it works. That's usually what I do. Rev version, lazy git, commit, revving version. I just usually say git reset -- hard, origin/master until things look good, and then I start over. That's usually what I do. Is that what you guys do too? Rev cat provider. Wait, that's not what you do? You know what the git commands you do actually do? I thought we all just sort of guessed. Like, it probably is going to set my branch back to what origin master is. I don't know what -- force does, but it'll probably at least do what I'm telling it to. Actions. Here we go. Build deploy. Boom. Run workflow. Build deploy. Boom. Run workflow. Boom. Builds are kicked off. You think I lost work? Let's pray not, dude. Let's pray not. Let's test it. Let's test it. Start client. Oh. Use me in general? Yeah. Oh, yeah. I've been burned a time or two. It's kind of like it's kind of like riding a bike. Sometimes you fall down, scrape your knee, but you might not fall down and scrape your knee the next time. You learn. You know what I mean? Guys, I want you to understand something. This is an absolutely monumental update in terms of Embedder. Guys, we've been building a habit building app for 2.5 years. And today is the first day users will be able to look at metrics around their freaking habit. I want that to sink in. 2.5 years we've been building a habit building app, and this is the first day people can click on their habit and view metrics regarding their success or their lack of success within their habit. It's a massive update. You don't want to see metrics, but you haven't made a habit of using the app yet. Basic press. Yeah, if you they could, the metrics could sting you. They could sting if they're not too good. Mine aren't that good, to be honest. Oh my god, I can't believe I can't believe the Scarecrow has a quest. I can't believe the Scarecrow has a quest, dude. You just got to start. You just got to start. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Look at this profile, guys. I could package this up and sell it. This is beautiful. Now, the airplane's chopped off at the top, but who's really looking? You know what I mean? Who's really looking at the top of the airplane? There's your boy. First mile since the flu. First run since the flu. I got to get back out there today. Guys, this I can't let it like, oh, I'm on a different, wait, what account am I on? Oh, I'm on my test account. So guys, the build's cooking. We've just introduced habit level metrics. What's next? Should I pop a rank right in here? Should I pop a user rank? I thought about it. It might give people anxiety if they're ranked 200. They might not like that. But I can technically rank everybody on their habit streaks. When you add a habit, you don't understand the detail source. That's not good. That's not good. I could tell you, but the average person can't ask me. Tell me, what don't you understand? Okay, now there's details. Tell me what part you don't understand. What part's confusing? By the way, anybody who's new here or doesn't have the app, by golly, you should all have the app. We should all be building our habits together. Boom. Also, guys, we're on Twitter. We're on Twitter. Instagram.com/ Guys, hit me on the socials, guys. Hit me on the socials. Let's be friends. I got 9 followers on my Instagram. Can we make it 10? Can we make it 10? That's my Twitter. That's my Twitter. I got 9 followers on Twitter. I got 22 followers on Instagram. I got 9 followers on Twitter. You don't understand what to put in the details. What's your habit? What's your habit? Okay, you want to regularize your sleep schedule. That one probably wouldn't have details. So details are for metrics. If you want to calculate if you want to track your metrics, you would use details. Regularize your sleep schedule would look at something like this. Go to sleep by 8 p.m., right? That's basically a Boolean yes, no, right? In that case, you wouldn't. Now, check this one out. Watch, I'll create this one. Watch this one. Watch this one. Get a full night, get a full sleep. Watch this. Details. 8 of what? Hours. This is a metrics-based one. It's not a Boolean yes, no. It's a metrics-based one. So, get a full sleep would say 8 hours. Now, let's go look at your habits for the day. Look. Go to sleep by 8 p.m. You either did it or you didn't. Get a full night's sleep. You might have only got 6 hours of sleep. Time of day, that would be cool. But look at, I can't be explaining this to you. If I have to explain this to you, I've failed. Oh, there's an embedment you should be following. Boom. Brand new, by the way. It's brand new. Brand new account. Guys, I've been scheming the concept of something called a spot check. A spot check. Imagine you don't want to smoke a cigarette. So your habit is, your spot check would be no cigarettes. The spot check wouldn't have a traditional way of tracking it. Thank you, Mono. So a spot check what it's going to do is it's going to check you a couple of times a day and you must answer it. It's going to say, bzz, bzz, did you smoke a cigarette today? And you either check yes or no. you check yes, Juliet. And then around 4 p.m., it's going to go, bzz, bzz. Did you smoke a cigarette today? And then around 8 p.m., it's going to go, bzz, bzz. Did you smoke a cigarette today? It's just a spot check. It's not going to, it's not one like, because it's kind of weird to, have to come in here and be like, okay, did I, because you could do this today. You could do this today. This is what you, and this is what you should do if this is a type of habit you want. It would be, don't smoke cigs, right? What I would do is check it, boom, 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 boom. 4 times a day, every day. You're welcome, Ryan. You're welcome. That's what I'm here for. Don't smoke cigs. So what you could come in today and say, okay, I didn't do it today. I didn't do it today. I didn't do it in the evening. And boom, I didn't do it in the night. You don't really like that, though. It's about reducing. Correct. This is not this. That's why I'm saying we need the spot check. This doesn't really support anti-habits today. Your intended implementation may have the unfortunate side effect of making people think about quitting more. Well, it depends on how they use it. But if you're trying not to think about it, yeah, you don't want to spot check. Yeah, I'll have to think about that. It's an interesting thought. That's why we haven't really taken any action on it, because I don't really know what the answer is yet. But I know we want to start supporting anti-habits. Should you make a habit tracker to track your habits? Yes. And don't use Node. Don't use Node on the server. Guys, more money. I'm checking the build. Let me check the builds. Let's see if the build's cooked at all. Oh, they're cooking still. They're cooking. Oh, they're cooking. Never use Node on the server, guys. Oh, no. Did I not start them both? Oh, no, I did. Yeah, never use Node on the server. Correct. Did you put JavaScript on a server today? Guys, what an app. QR code. How do you download the app? You pull out your phone and you go, psst, boom. And now you're on the app. Now you're building habits left, right, and center. I need more agua. What's next, guys? What's next, guys? I really am interested in anti-habits. Ooh, RJ. Didn't mean to expose you like that. RJ's an OG user, let me tell you guys. Is this the Well, first of all, Mega Chubs, you have correctly identified me as big tech. So not everybody realizes I'm big tech. So thank you for accurately identifying me. Second of all, yes, of course we're going to sell your data. It's 2024. It's 2024, dude. Any data you put in this system will be sold next to a unique identifier to your account. I'm just kidding. Just don't sell it to Meta. Exactly. Now Ryan, now that's an interesting concept. Guys, I gotta be honest. I'm shocked more people aren't unlocking premium stats. I don't know. I feel like I would have been enticed. I'm curious. Does anybody use the app that actually use the app that has not been enticed by purchasing premium? I'm curious. Because I can see when people click it. Watch, you'll see my Magpie notification. I know you see that Magpie notification. I can see when people click on it, but typically people don't actually purchase it. See, someone just clicked on it. There you go. There you go. Premium press. Somebody just clicked on it again. I'm curious why we don't really have a bunch of conversion. You have a bunch of people who use the app daily who don't use premium. I would love to know why. Maybe it's just not valuable enough. Like maybe the values aren't worth it. Yeah, if you don't stick to your habits, that's going to be a pain point. It is interesting. Yeah, I usually purchase apps. But the thing is, all new features moving forward, Lieutenant, let's go. Thanks, my friend. Premium right now is a gravy. What in the hell is a gravy train, dude? An element of subscription fatigue within my app or within um or within apps in general. Because I am with you, dude. Yeah, I don't think you're wrong. I'm with you. I mean, I hate these damn subscriptions. I keep buying them though. Eber, no, I haven't touched any user search bug. That one kind of the user search needs a revamp in general. It's not a good user search. You don't use the S, but guess your opinion counts for some others too. Knowing that you share the development process while not really using a dev environment makes you not want to have an account. The chance of either deleting your data, introducing a bug, or share. Yeah, no, I would never put anybody's data at risk though. That we've held data integrity pretty tight since we rolled out premium subscriptions. Any testing I do is either on my account or uh, or is just read only. I've never once negatively impacted anybody's data. I don't know how far back that goes, but absolutely since premiums rolled out. So That's unfortunate, but I think you'd be shocked at how many people use production data in production environments to do development. I don't think I'm unique in that. It all depends on the risk. The work I do, there's no risk. Adding extra features, adding extra features is a read-only operation. I'm not deleting any data. I'm adding new fields and then populating them. And then once the fields are ready, I expose them to the front end. What are your major telcos here use prod data in staging and did not secure it? Yeah. Yeah. No, I appreciate the thought. But yeah, I don't think, and I'll tell you what. Love GeoHot, by the way. Love GeoHot. Here's another thing. Twitch is the only marketing I've ever done. Think about this. Think about this. Is Twitch my target audience? You guys are developers. We're building stuff. Are you guys my actual target audience? Or is there a whole world of people out there that are interested in habit building apps that just haven't been marketed to yet? And the fact that we even got to 800 users is pretty damn shocking. That's true, Akira. So, with all that said, Wolfric, spot on. And not only that, Twitch has given me the ability to have these conversations, which normally you actually do have to go out and ask people. So check this out. Boom. Instagram, baby. We got a real professional marketer building our posts now. Because if we were to start marketing, it can't be some crap app, you know what I mean? Or some crap social network. Now it doesn't have much data yet, but it's professional. We also have Facebook, by the way. I haven't even logged into Facebook to even know what's going on there. So this was step one. I think we're probably 2 weeks out from heavy marketing. What's heavy? I don't know. It's kind of expensive. Having somebody run this, I just don't have enough capital. So this is going to get interesting. That's where this is going to get interesting. Hopefully the marketing starts converting users. If marketing doesn't convert users, that's when things are going to get a little bit dicey. Because that's kind of like, I don't think people are actually that interested. So we'll see. That's coming up in a week or two. Take Melody stop streaming because he realized Twitch was not his audience. As a game dev, he wants people to play his game. But Twitch are game devs. Yeah, true. So yeah, for Melted, Twitch isn't a good marketing strategy. If you enjoy building in public and chatting with other devs and working amongst other people, then you should be on Twitch. But if you're using Twitch to try to market your product, that's not probably a great way to do it. It got me to 800 users, which is pretty cool. But I think I do think we are due for some real marketing and seeing if what the real world thinks of this thing. And I think we're ready. I really do. This app's pretty good. This app's pretty good. The community. Oh, for me, I can't speak for others. For me, Twitch was the best thing I ever did in terms of software development. I know I have some hot takes. Look, you guys have some hot takes too. I'm not innocent in this. But even the fact that we just talk and bounce ideas and feedbacks and very hot takes sometimes, it's just more knowledge gained, right? So I've been doing that for a year and a half. Just talking to you guys, talking to other devs, gaining insight and opinions and feedbacks. App feedback. I get real-time feedback. Guys, does this button look good? Oh, it looks crap. Okay, let me change it. See? That easy. I don't know what this log is. I don't really like that too much. So this build's almost done, by the way. Oh, the build's done. Boom. The build on Android is done. Let's go over to Android and deploy it. Yeah, no, it's not being mean, Mono. Yeah, Twitch is not... You shouldn't stream Twitch to find users. Which is not my objective. And it hasn't been. Now, that said, I obviously want people. It's my only marketing I have. So without Twitch, then how are people going to find them better, right? They literally wouldn't. It's a huge help. Twitch made your code open source. Hey, I made a lot of friends because of Twitch too. A lot of friends because of Twitch. I made this thing in Rust for Twitch. Use it. I think I missed context. Yeah. It's look, it's a whole puzzle, guys. There's a whole puzzle going on here. I'll tell you what. I'm not afraid to write software in front of a world of programmers. And I actually found that my software relatively stands. Uh-oh. Hold on. I got to accept this agreement. What agreement? What agreement? Yeah, no, Twitch 100,000,000% isn't my target audience. Bro, how do I like this thing? Or how do I accept this thing? To accept this agreement. Whatever. I'm just gonna try to release it anyway. Okay, let's kick this thing out. I think we're 507. Put it this way, I'll tell you what. Without Twitch, I don't even know where I'd be, dude, in terms of software development. It's changed my life forever. It's changed my life for absolutely ever. Added habit specific streak metrics. You know what's crazy? Excuse me, man. That one snuck up on me. You know what's crazy about Twitch? I talk to 15 plus developers around the globe. Well, I mean, heck, what do we got? 60 people in here now? Submit. On a daily basis. That's beautiful. That's a beautiful thing. Yeah, me neither, Ryan. Literally. How Play Store takes like 30%. 30%. Leoto, let's go. Appreciate that, my friend. Look, I'm kind of trying to brute force this life, guys. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know where this is going to go. But I figure if I don't try, then it definitely won't happen, right? So I'm just trying to brute force it. Thank you, Ryan. I appreciate that. I hope I do too, man. I hope I do too. Wouldn't that be something? Wouldn't that be something? Oh. If DevDead makes it, we all make it. Boom. 2 comments, guys. How cold? Oh, it was cold. Boom. Look at these premium users just absolutely spamming the comments. Thanks, DS. Yeah, oh, we'll never stop, dude. So what features next? Capitalism mentioned. All right, let's look at the prio list, guys. What's next? I haven't looked at this in 100 years. Uh-oh. That I probably have to look at. Let me go look really quick. So, Akira, I want to add you and many others. I gotta pay like 30 bucks. Let me see how much it is. It's like 20 bucks or 30 bucks a month. I just gotta create one single sign on that everyone can share. Look at me not paying for services, just like other people aren't paying for my services. Classic. How do they entice me? All right. I want to look at something. Job latest. Reminders. I haven't mentioned everything on it. All right, I need to look at this. User ID. Refresh premium users. That's good. Send periodic warnings. That's good. Well, what does context do? Okay, no, we're good. Okay, back to the thing. We just got a new premium user. We just got a new premium user. LFG, guys. LFG. Let's effing go. Sponsored by Magpie. Sponsored by Magpie. Brought to you by Magpie. New premium user LFG. Thank you, whoever did that. Thank you, whoever did that. We're one sub away from, we're one sub down closer to my to making millions. Thank you, whoever did that. That is hype. I'm hype. Habit specific notifications. That's one. That's one. 900,000 more subs. DS, let's go. Thank you, DS. Thank you, dude. The app sub, look, Twitch subs, without them, the app would be dead. The fact that I'm paying some bills using my app subs, paying server costs from the app. Imagine building an app and paying costs to host the app, but getting paid from the app to pay off those costs. Now that is living. I might have to turn it on. I'm not sure. You can do this. Recursion mentioned. Yeah, recursion mentioned. Okay, guys, look at this. Habit specific notifications. Premium mentioned. Habit level metrics. Done. Followers. Privacy. Anti-habits. Spot check, which is anti-habit. Do you have to update your client model maybe? All right, here's a question. Which one? So guys, we're trying to figure out the next feature. The key is which one makes people's accounts more valuable? Like actually more valuable. Push notification. Dude, these coughs, they come out of nowhere. From the flu, guys. I had the flu like I was a child. Not even my own child got the flu. Just me. The heck? Yeah, scores in competitive mind. People like competition. Akira, my brother actually even reached out to me and said, how do I challenge Akira? He literally said that. He didn't even know who you were. But he's like, this guy says he's doing push-ups. I want to challenge him. I go, send him a comment. You would smoke him. That dude ain't doing 100 push-ups. He should be on him better. We got to get him on him better. He is a premium sub. Uh-oh. You challenged me to death? Declined. All right, I think we need more Ooh, now that's trippy, bro. That's trip, bro. I got that on a massive monitor. I feel like I'm on DMT looking at that thing. That's wild. You can't see what I'm looking at. Competitions. Competitions. All a competition is a challenge. It's a challenge with a leaderboard, really, right? What about proof? What about proof? Oh, damn. Now that's an emote. Should we add proof? I feel like proof's a good feature. I feel like it's a good feature. I think we do proof. Proof's a double whammy because both you can either without proof. I think the competitions are a little sus. What does static mean in JavaScript? I think it would be defined as it belongs to the class and not an instance of the class. Only if you do competition after. All right, we're doing proof. Do you guys want to know what proof is going to be? Let me show you what proof is going to be. Proof is next. It's a really banging feature. Premium only. Premium only. Proof is a banging feature. Oh, man. We don't... Oh, look at the leaf next to Charlie's name. Look at the leaf, guys. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Look at the leaf next to Charlie's name, guys. We're doing like mid-level proof. New user created. Let's go. LFG. So we're not going to be look, we are not going to go too overboard with the proof. The intent of proof is this. Let me show you why I want proof. Watch this. Wake by 4 a.m. What would I do to show proof? It's a very fluid, simple process. A habit that requires proof. First of all, you're going to come down here under proof and you're going to check it. You're going to go boop, proof will be turned on. Now, if a habit requires proof, when you come over here to wake by 4 a.m. and you say did it, it's going to say, this habit requires proof. Please upload proof now. And you're going to either upload a video or an image explaining to us that you woke up by 4 a.m. Now, no, we're not going to go overboard and track your step count. A screenshot of the clock would be sufficient. It is just a mechanism for you to hold yourself accountable. It is not for us. It is for you. So you, again, proof is optional. So if you were going to lie about the proof, then why would you turn the proof on? Just don't turn on the proof requirement if you're going to lie. But I'm going to tell you guys straight up how this works for me. Hydrate. Some of these are a little bit fabricated. Some of them are a little bit fabricated. Now, it's not because I'm intentionally trying to lie. And look, pay attention, because this is why proof needs to exist and will exist. Starting tomorrow, we build it. I'm not trying to lie and preserve my streak. What happens is this. On my day-to-day, usually I get to about evening or nighttime and I go, did I hydrate today? Did I drink 1 liter 6 hours ago? Well, I had a soda or, a seltzer water. Okay, I had another one. So that's 2. That's 24 ounces. And then I had a glass. It's like getting close to 30. So like, that's pretty much a liter. We'll count it as a liter. That's what I'm doing today. I do that all the time. But I feel dirty about it. I probably didn't drink a liter. I probably would have filled that habit. Imagine if I had to show a picture of the empty water bottle, and if I don't have the empty water bottle even at 6 p.m., I go, I'm going to check off hydrate. Oh crap, I don't have proof. Therefore, I fail. I don't have proof. Yes, exactly what Akira just said. So now, see right here, I finished my water bottle. On stream. Snap picture. I got it documented. Now I can use that proof. And here's the thing. When you upload proof, we're not going to show that picture. We're not going to show it. It's not the same as this picture right here. It doesn't show up here. How are we going to show that somebody did something? Let's take a look. Wake up by 4 a.m. Hell, how much time we got? I can maybe speed run this. I want to show you what this looks like. It's going to be so freaking sick. I want to show you this. Let me show you what a verified habit's going to look like. It's going to be so sick. Premium only, by the way. Premium only. So that's right. DS Legends, he has access to this feature. It's going to look so sick. Okay. Completed habits. Play day result. Watch. Okay, I want to just like... Can I put a comment in here? I think that worked. Okay, so watch this. Ready? Watch this. Oh, where did I screw up? Where did I screw up? All right, here we go. Timeline. There it is, baby. There it is, guys. See? See how it was orange? Orange is for challenges. Proof is going to be in better purple with a check mark. Optical image. Watch. Watch. Flash. Check. Check mark. No, that looks horrible. Check mark. Done. Fine. We'll try that. Boom. I don't like that check mark, but the point is, that's what it's going to look like. So now we're going to start having the concept. Oh, a verified tag would be sick, dude. But the idea is we're going to start putting things around the frame. And look, yeah, we are not going to be like crazy about it. It's for you. It's not for me. It's for you. The proof is because you want to hold yourself accountable. Somebody on Embedder is watch this, guys. Somebody is literally going to be here on this admin page, watching them come in. There'll be a new section here called proof, and we will literally be saying approved, denied, approved, 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 denied, denied, denied. So that's how that's going to work. Like we're literally so when somebody has an approved, a verified, habit, we're literally going to like vet it with our eyeballs. How do I check mark circle? Maybe that's not bad. That's not bad. We'll have to come up with the best one. Outline. No, that ain't it. That ain't bad. So there you guys go. That's what's coming up starting tomorrow. And I want to warn you guys again, I'm out Sunday, Monday. It makes you more comfortable and gives you flair. Exactly. Like, to be completely honest with you, I'm going to make all mine proof. I want the flair. And we'll give metrics about it. We'll throw it in the metrics, right? Like we'll come into here and this is going to show it's verified and we'll show it. Hopefully not, dude. SMH my head. Love that. Yeah, guys, it's Father's Day. On Sunday, I'm going camping with the family. So if I get sick on Tuesday, that means I got sick from the woods, which means I'm just the worst. So we'll be good, but I still will stream tomorrow for a bit in the morning. But then I'm off to that campground, baby. Let's go. All right, guys, let me log off here. We got the release going. We got the release cooking. Let me see if Android's out. Nope, it's still in review. America, that's right. America Father's Day. All right, let's swing on over to. I think we just literally went here yesterday. But the only place we would go. We'll swing it over to Mr. Mulroy. Guys, somebody tell Mr. Mulroy, do not use Node on the server. Okay? That's the raid message. Hold on, I need an emoji. Hold on, let me get the raid message. Let me find it. The hell? That's the raid message. That's the raid message. Okay, no, all right, use Ryan's. Use Ryan's. That's Ryan's. There you go. That's the raid message. That's the raid message. Oh, we're going to blow. Dude, wait, what was that one? Dude, is it like compounding? Oh, this is going to be really good. Make sure it's this one. Make sure it's this one with that big ass horn on the freaking top. Make sure it's that one. All right, guys, I'll see you over there. Happy Friday, my friends.